Hi everyone, here is a video, somewhat new video, about the Boeing 737 crash. So if you're a crash expert, have a look. This is from this channel, and all of the comments are in Russian. Anyway, have a look at this. Really amazing. Straight down almost. And look at that enormous light. Almost looks like a mushroom cloud. And then here is this light here that doesn't go away. So are these gases up there? Something on fire? Amazing. Let's watch again. That's not even a 45-degree angle. It looks like 30-degree. Unbelievable light. Okay, I found this via Pravda English News. And here is the channel, and I will put a link below. Thanks for watching. God bless. Be safe. Hallelujah. Things are getting crazy.